Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. And so yesterday something happened to me that normally I would say only happens to, I don't know, bad drivers, older people, I don't know. Yeah, but I had to. Life taught me a lesson. It doesn't always happen to them, it happens to me too. I was parking and I was backing out and turned the wheel wrong and curbed one of my wheels here. So the bad thing is, I like these wheels, the aftermarket ones, they looked good. Weren't curbed at all. The good thing is they weren't that expensive. They are only aftermarket from a more affordable brand. So it's not a huge deal. I would be more upset if I curbed these wheels really bad, which these have been curbed a little bit too, but not much. You cannot tell. These ones here, you can definitely tell. And so what I did, I went to T-sportline's website where I bought the wheels, and I bought this touch-up paint here. So this was sent to me from California, I believe, and I will use this right now and touch them up a little bit because I don't want to sand them off and bring them to a shop. Look at it. Look at this here. It's not pretty, isn't it? Oh, is this camera zoom in or not? I can't tell. Nothing goes right this morning. Okay, here and then a little bit here and a little bit here. It is a mess. It is terrible. So I'm gonna use this to touch that up. Let me show you what this looks like, guys. Here, one man show again. Here, look at that. You pull this out and see, this is what it looks like. It's like painting nails, I guess, if you do that. I don't, of course. Okay, let me put this camera down. I should have been prepared and have something to put the camera up or wear the camera on my body like I do sometimes, but I didn't. Okay, so let me put the camera down and I'll show you the result. Okay, here it is, and I think I made it worse. It does not look very good. I mean, I used the right product. I didn't use Flex Seal or anything on it, but it does not look that great. Okay, I'll let it dry, and I may have to sand that a little bit smoother and do the job again. I think what I'm gonna do is I will take the wheel off when I put the winter wheels on, and I'll fix it the correct way when the wheel is off and on the table. Fix it the correct way there and touch it up so it looks better. And at least this hides it a little bit. I mean, if you don't know where it is, you won't see it, but I do, and I don't like it. I checked all the other wheels. It's just this one here that has an issue. All the other ones I apparently have not curbed, and yeah, it happened once to me with this car. Man, I was so upset, but it didn't really show, so I was lucky. It wasn't hard enough. This here, definitely, I didn't see the curb, and I hit it, so yeah, maybe it's me getting old, maybe it's just whatever. Anyways, it's kind of a stuffy day today outside. It's not as warm, but now it feels a little more humid, muggy. I don't know what's going on today. I won't bug you with that, but I'll say thank you for watching. And please come back soon on the channel, and we'll talk about something more interesting. We'll talk about one of my other cars, maybe about this one right here. We'll see what we'll do. All right, guys, it was a pleasure as always. Please like and subscribe, and see you soon.